Good morning, Year 5. I hope you're all very well. Today, in maths, we're going to be looking at subtracting decimals with the same number of decimal places. After yesterday, we looked at adding decimals with the same number of decimal places. So first of all, we're going to look at subtracting using a place value column, okay? And I've got two questions for us just to work through first of all. Firstly, we're going to look at this one, 4.28 take away 2.13. So as you can see in the place value grid, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 hundredths. I also have in the tenths column 1, 2. I have 2 tenths and I have 4 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4. So what we're going to do is we're going to subtract 2.13 away from 4.28, okay? Now, first of all, we always start from the smallest column, so the hundredths column here. And what we're going to do is we are going to take away 3 hundredths from the 8 hundredths, okay? So I'm going to cross that out and I'm going to go 1, 2, and 3. So I now have 5 hundredths left. Next of all, I'm going to move over to the tenths column, and I have 2 tenths here, but I'm going to take away 1 tenth, okay? So there we are. I now have 1 tenth left in that column. And last of all, we're going to go into the ones column. In the ones column, there are 4, and we need to take away 2. So our answer is going to be 2 ones, okay? So our answer to 4.28 take away 2.13 is 2 wholes, or 2 ones. Don't forget our decimal place. 1 tenth, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 hundredths. Okay. Now we're going to move on to this question here. It's a little bit more tricky, okay? So 2.43 take away 1.15. Now we have 2 ones, 4 tenths, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 3 hundredths, okay? Now we need to take away 1.15. So first of all, I'm going to start in the hundredths column, okay? I need to take away 5 from 3. Can I take away 5 hundredths from 3 hundredths? What do you think? No, I can't. I can't take away 5 hundredths from 3 hundredths. So I'm actually going to have to exchange from the tenths column. Now, 10 hundredths make 1 tenth, okay? So I'm going to bring this one into here. So I'm going to have 0.01, 0.01, right, so I have 7 hundredths, 8 hundredths, 9 hundredths, and 10 hundredths. So that has now been exchanged. Okay, so overall in my hundredths column, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 hundredths. Now I'm going to take away 5 hundredths from 13 hundredths, okay? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so in this hundredths column, I now have 8 hundredths. Okay, we now have 3 tenths because we have exchanged. Take away 1 tenth, so that's going to equal 2 tenths. And then 2 ones, take away 1 1 is 1. So our answer to 2.43 take away 1.15 is 1.28. Okay. Right. We have looked at using the place value chart now, but now we're going to use the column method, which you are all... Ooh, some slight problems there. Okay, so we're going to use the column method, and you all know how to use the column method for subtraction, okay? So the first question that we look at is going to be 6.4 take away 3.8. Now, you will notice that I have lined up my digits in each column, okay? That's a key thing that we need to make sure that we are doing, okay? So, 4/10 take away 8/10. Can I do that? No, I can't. I'm going to have to exchange, aren't I? So, I can exchange that from the ones column, okay? So, I'm going to put 1 there. So I now have 14/10. I'm just going to put a little 5 up there. Okay, so 14/10 take away 8/10 is, what's that? It is 6/10. Okay. And then 5 take, oh, don't want to forget my decimal place. 5 take away 3 is 2. So our answer is 2.6. Now, we're going to go through one more question with this, okay? Just because it can be quite tricky using the column method, okay? So, our question is going to be 5.05 take away 2.15, okay. Now, 500ths take away 500ths is 0 hundredths, so I'm not going to have any hundredths, okay? Now, 0/10 take away 1/10. I can't do that, can I? Okay, so I'm going to have to exchange from the 5 ones, okay, and we're going to put that there, and then put 4 up there, okay? So, 10/10 take away 1/10 is 9/10, okay? And then 4 take away 2 is 2. So our answer is 2.9. Okay, I hope that's helpful. Now I would like you, sorry, yesterday I didn't really end my message, but today I'd just like you to have a go at the worksheet for me, and there, off you go. Thank you.